Hey everybody, Mrs. Bodechon here. So today we're going to be testing our knowledge on chemical and physical properties. So let's go ahead and recall them. Remember that a physical property is the one that we can measure very easily, and we can most of the time observe it as well. So let's go ahead and go over these. So odor, or in other words, what it smells like; volume, which is how much space it's taking up; what color it is; what texture or feel that it has; conductivity, so if it can conduct electricity and heat well or not; ductile, if we can pull it into a wire; malleable, if we can pound it into a thin sheet; density, and you can calculate that; hardness; luster, remember luster is going to be how shiny it is; and then its temperature. Let's go ahead and review our chemical properties. All right, so remember that chemical properties are going to undergo some kind of chemical reaction. Therefore, there's a chemical change taking place, and one of these are going to be evident if not more than one. So if you see reactivity, and reactivity, some good examples are going to be if it bubbles, fizzes, or foams, if it heats up by itself, if it creates light by itself, if it produces an odor, if it does any of those things. Those are really classic examples of being reactive. Flammability and combustibility both means that it's catching on fire. The difference between those: flammability, it can just happen without heat being added. Combustibility means that you have to add heat in order for it to catch flame. And then corrosive, if it's going to tarnish or rust. So what's going to happen? On these next couple pages, I'm going to show you a picture and I'm going to give you a property, and you're going to pause the video and tell me, is it a chemical property or is it a physical property? Let's go ahead and get started. So we have ductile, an ability to be pulled into a wire. What do you think it is? Pause the video and check your answer when you're ready. Here we go. It is a physical property. Let's try the next one. We have corrosive. So if it's corroding, in this case, we're seeing a rusty car. What do you think it is? Let's check out the answer. It is a chemical property. And here we have some melting going on. So we have a phase change happening. It's going from a solid ice cream to a liquid, kind of liquid ice cream, like a little smoothie action going on. So what do you think it is? It's going to be physical property. And then we have a burning forest. So this is representing combustible. What do you think this one is? And it is chemical. Let's go ahead to the next one. And we have temperature. So this is just a thermometer reading the temperature for you. What do you think that would be? It is physical. All right, and here we have the bean, and it is super shiny or lustrous. So what do you think it is? It is a physical property. And here we have a water with some Alka-Seltzer dropped into it, and it's representing that fizzy reactive property. Which one do you think that one is? And you are most likely correct with chemical, right? Hopefully you all did an excellent job on this. If not, re-watch that beginning of the video and make sure you take note of the properties and do it one more time. I hope this was so helpful to you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Bye, everybody.